Heat 1 cup of water in a pan. Throw in 5 to 6 slices of ginger. Boil and steep for about 10 minutes. And then strain the liquid. Add lemon juice to the solution. Pour 1 tablespoon of organic honey and mix well. Sip and enjoy this amazing drink. Honey, ginger and lemon are perfect to battle sickness. This drink boosts the immune system and helps to ward off cold and flu. Lemon, honey, ginger enhances digestion, eliminates toxins and improves metabolic rate. The mix of ginger, honey and lemon works as an excellent fat burner and also helps to regulate blood sugar levels. So friends, that's it for today. Please share this healthiest drink with your friends. For more health and fitness related videos, please consider subscribing our channel.